The amount of snow, cold temperatures, and wind will make for a very tough conditions tomorrow. News 8's Noel Gardner has some tips on what we can all do when that storm hits tomorrow morning. Good morning, Noel.
Good morning, Keith. From your home to your health, we want to make sure you and your family are safe, and you still have time, like we've been saying, to get ready. If you're going out today, it is very cold, as Stephanie was saying, so make sure you dress in layers. Right now, I'm wearing 2 sweaters and a jacket, and I'm still cold. Make sure you bring your mittens, scarves, hats, and even layer those socks. And waterproof boots are important, especially you'll need those tomorrow. Bring your pets inside the house during this winter weather and move animals or livestock to sheltered areas with non-frozen drinking water. Minimize your travel, and if travel is necessary, make sure you have a disaster kit in your car. And for your home, keep a 3-day supplies of water, flashlights, a battery-powered radio, a cell phone with chargers already charged, a 7-day supply of medication, pet supplies, and also extra cash. And Keith, make sure you gas up your car after you leave work this morning. I did that last night. You want to make sure you have a full tank of gas. I'm live this morning in New Haven. Noel Gardner, now back to you in the studio.
All right, Noel, good reminder there. Thank you.